Did you know you can create realistic AI avatars that actually look like real content creators? Most people either overcomplicate it or end up with avatars that look fake. In this video, I'll show you how to create clean, professional AI avatars that actually work for YouTube, content, or business. Let's get started. Today I'm in Canva, and I'm gonna make a talking avatar. Let me show you a favorite way to do it. Right now, I'm on the home page. So the first thing I'll do is come over here to Canva AI and click on that. Then I'll choose Image. The avatar I'm going to make today could be used for my business, for school, or social media. You could also use it for selling products or telling stories. There's a lot of different ways you could use it. But for now, I'm gonna make one. And first, I'll put a text prompt right here. I'll also choose the size I want. You can use any of these. I'll choose 16 by 9. You can also choose any of these styles if you want to. All right, so now I've added my prompt and I'll click on Submit. And now it's going to make me 4 images. You can use any of these, it's up to you. These are looking pretty good. I think I'll run it one more time though, because it's not quite what I want. So I'll click on Reuse Prompt and change it a little bit. You can always rerun these. I like this one. So I'll upscale it and then download it. Next, I'll go to my next favorite AI tool for making lip syncs. I'm going to the site called Dzine. Quickly, here are the prices. It starts as low as like $9 a month and goes up from there. For now, I'll log in. Okay, and now I'm back here on my homepage, and I'll scroll right down here. You can see a lot of the most popular tools. The next thing I'm going to do is choose Lip Sync right here. So I'll click on that, choose the image size, and upload my image. Right now, my face is chosen, and that's exactly right. If it wasn't chosen, you could choose it manually, like this. Just make sure the face is yellow. Then click on Next. Okay, and there's my face. I'll enlarge this a little bit to make it easier to see. Now I can pick a voice and also choose the quality here. Next, I'll pick a voice. You can also upload a voice if you already have a recording, just drop it in here. You've got your choice of many different accents to choose. I'll stick with English. Just click here to listen to the voices. I'm gonna choose this one. Now I'll add my text right here. This is what he's going to say. Choose standard or expressive mode, and then the next thing I'm going to do is generate the audio. Click here to listen to a sample before final recording. This is how long it is. You can change the speed if you want to. I'll regenerate it. So that's pretty good. I'll click on Apply, and here is the voice right here. Okay, so I'll pull this over a little. I like a little bit of blank space at the beginning and end. This is kind of like a preview before you make the final recording. I suggest keeping it on Pro. And in just a second, we'll have the talking video completed. I'll come back here when it's done. Now it's generating. Don't worry if you've never done this before. By the end of this session, you'll have all the steps you need to make your own projects come alive. Okay, now it just finished, so let's watch.
Hello everyone, welcome to class. Today we're going to explore some really exciting tools that will help you create amazing animated videos from scratch. Don't worry if you've never done this before. By the end of our session, you'll have all the steps you need to make your own projects.
And there you go, perfect. And now all you have to do is download it. So if you want to make avatars of any kind for your business, for school, for home, or whatever purpose you might need them for, definitely you couldn't get any better results than by using Dzine and also Canva. So come in here and try it yourself, and I'm sure you'll be really happy with the results. I use these two tools all the time, and they do great work. Have fun creating. Tell me what kind of avatar you're making in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.